Hi Pisces, how have you been? On Monday, for those who are single, this week might be a great time to mingle. There may be a strong possibility of fostering a relationship with someone of the opposite sex. If things go according to your wishes, you might even experience some intimate moments with your loved one. A great time for lovers in general. Family people may experience a pleasant and joyous atmosphere back at home. People in steady relationships may need to be careful about their opinions and may be wary of being judgmental about their partner. Being a good listener and hearing out your partner's point of view may go a long way in cementing your relationship. On Tuesday, actually any delays you experience is an opportunity to determine if your goal is aligned with the rest of your life and to make adjustments as needed. If romance is your target, taking a slow and thoughtful approach will help make love bloom. If it's meant to be. If romance is your target, taking a slow and thoughtful approach will help make love bloom if it's meant to be. Friday is your best time for romance. This weekend, expect a breakthrough as the sun merges with enlightening Uranus. On Wednesday, a new moon in your sign on Wednesday is a glorious invitation for the universe to press the reset button on your life in every way possible. When it comes to love and relationships, it will be extraordinary even if it's a little uncomfortable. This new moon is closely linked to Uranus, the planet of sudden change now also is in your sign. You are certain of one thing, the way you've been approaching how to get your physical and material needs met has got to change. Why? Because you're finally awake. On Thursday, the Sun squares off with Saturn, making everyone more aware of limitations and responsibilities rather than matters of pleasure. When it comes to romance, there might be a stiff upper lip approach and it might be all too easy to deny yourself that you want since you will be more focused on duties and obligations. On Friday, fortunately, a new moon in Taurus will give everyone permission to indulge in sensual delights. Your needs are real and must be met, and Taurus makes no apologies about this reality. Go get yours. On Saturday, intense thoughts about love might start to cause you more harm than good thanks to Pluto turning retrograde on the same day that Mercury squares it. The desire to have things your way in love might lead you to mentally manipulative tactics that you won't exactly be proud of. On Sunday, the Sun-Saturn square at the beginning of the week makes you ask yourself if you're working hard enough for what you want and if it's all worth it in the end. You're the only one who can answer those questions, my dear. There's also the moon in your steady sign midweek, slowing down the energy and giving you time to consider all your options. You might miss out on a romantic opportunity, but you'd rather be sure than quick. Regenerative Pluto goes retrograde over the weekend, giving you a chance to do some real inner work. Find a quiet place to reflect on your love life where you won't experience any interruptions.
Hi Pisces, how have you been? Monday. Career-oriented people and job seekers, I have some good news waiting for them. Decision in this regard is postponed for now, but very soon you'll hear some good news coming your way. keep on doing the things that you have been focusing on, and very soon things will start manifesting. Business person inclines to explore new territory to increase sales. Short-term travel in this regards bears satisfactory results in terms of having encouraging deals with new high-value customers. Business person runs the show encouragingly. And on Tuesday, sudden expenses while shopping online is possible due to deliberation of the sun. Lending money at workplace is also likely to cause losses as likelihood of repayment is quite low, as witnessed in finance and wealth horoscope. Stay alert while handling business, as possibility of losses in business are foreseen during this time. And moving on to Wednesday. On Wednesday, Mars will also get deliberated. Take care of health of your father and grandfather in this period, as spending on their health is observed in the financial and wealth horoscope. Viewing planetary movements at the beginning, something big in offering is seen at the horizon. Things are to start picking up for you on financial front. So what you need to do is keep your horizon open and start looking at things from a holistic point of view: family, health, career, so on and so forth. On Thursday, Mercury will be with Saturn in the second house of the moon. During this time, you're likely to spend more money to decorate your house as well as to get fixed the broken communication devices which were giving you problems since long. Take your business to the optimum level with the help of proper astrological prediction, and you may just see some amazing results coming out of them. Have an open mind. Don't always follow the old rules. Get into some new exploration of the astrology. On Friday, Saturn will be in conjunction with your sign. Be careful, as such combination usually causes a lot of wealth. Moreover, presence of Saturn in the 8th house is likely to affect your health and give expenses related to the same. You need to keep enough provision for contingency while planning for your future on the financial front. Avoid taking major decisions on money matters. And finally, moving on to Saturday, things are to move well for you now, and you will see an increased flow of money here on. You are not to incur any kind of major expenses as before, but you are able to manage routine and incidental expenses comfortably. You need to refrain from financial transactions with one of the new friendship which you have recently gained. This period seems insensitive in this regards. You are to remain in a comfortable position on financial front. Make smart decisions in your life. And finally, on Sunday, you need to keep your cool even when the situation seems proactive. Refrain from taking decisions in money matters in haste driven by impulse. You need to keep effective check on unwarranted expense to remain in comfortable position on financial front. Family and household related expenses are to increase. You need to remain concerned about saving money for future need. Straighten your financial growth. Have a great week ahead.
To get your daily prediction updates from our team of psychics, subscribe to Highest Good and click on the bell notification and never miss a prediction.